abanyamahe 11 ababiri bari aharengo rw'abagenero abahuumwire begisiraho abantu banyamahe 99 ababiri bari aharengo rwa meja na kano abahuumwire habiro byo kwezi 25 byo kwezi kwa 8 umwaka ogu kandi emikoro yo kubahumuza ekaba hakitebe kikuru kya ministry byo kwerinda harimbuya ekindi kimanyisa ngo abanyamahe bona abahuumwire umwaka ogu bahikigana 10 11 aba bahuumwire barimo wabiroho mukuru wa polisi y'ihanga General Kare Kayihura, Lieutenant General James Nakibusakara, Major General Samuel Waswa Mutesasira, Major General Joseph Arocha hamwe na Major General David Wakaro. Abandi bari mu Brigadier General Austin Kasatoke Kamanyire, Brigadier General Stephen Oruka, Brigadier General Frank Katende Chambade, Brigadier General Emmanuel Kwihangana, Brigadier General Wilson Mahabuzi na Brigadier General Ham Atoke Kaija. President Museveni ahabwire abahuumwire amahega UPDF okuriba ngo bakwata esente zabo zakasimu na retirement package.
Now, this retirement, do not regard it as becoming redundant now. Not at all. This is like a mutation from one form of service to another one. And that's why we had to hold on retirement until we had solved the problem of the package. The entanda you go with when you retire, what entanda, what do you go with? And I can assure you what you're going with now, as the minister was saying, is considerable.
Umuringo ngugumwe President Museveni asimira abahuumwire abokora ryo mu iherganze ya UPDF no kutahamana gabo ahawentunguka yihanga.
So I therefore congratulate you, and you should also congratulate yourself because you belonged to a glorious force, a force that has.
Minister w'ihanga ahawe byo kwerinda hamwe n'enshonga z'abankazirwanaho Jacob Bothobos asimire President Museveni habo kuba n'ubutegetsi burungi ekiretiri heri ya Uganda ryabiryo kwesimisa orukura Defense Forces General Wilson Mbasumbadi we yasima President Museveni ahabo kwikiriza kabaho kandi akahaserera abanyamahaba bahuumwire. General Kare Kayihura oyebembiro kugamba kwa abanyamaha bahuumwire asimire President Museveni, General Kotmashon n'abandi bebembezi ba UPDF ahabo kumuyaha emanje zabire zumutiruweho okumuza abajenaba kwikirwaho n'abanyabutegetsi abandi. Gashakwa Damba Tadeo.